The Dead Sea is a truly remarkable place. It is unlike any other on our planet Earth. For centuries, it has drawn people to its shores. They come seeking its secrets and its solace. It is known by many ancient names. Each name tells a part of its long story. This body of water is silent, yet speaks volumes. It holds a certain mystique, a quiet power. It captures the imagination of all who visit. This unique sea is found in the Middle East. It lies nestled between modern-day Israel and Jordan. This is a land rich with ancient history. The sea itself is part of the Great Rift Valley. This vast geological feature is a deep scar. It runs down the Earth's surface for thousands of kilometers. This dramatic landscape provides a fitting home, a truly spectacular setting for such an unusual sea. The Dead Sea holds a special record. Its shores are the lowest point on Earth's land surface. They sit more than 430 meters below standard sea level. That is nearly 1,410 feet down into the Earth. This extreme low altitude makes it very special indeed. The air here is different too, noticeably denser. It is richer in oxygen than at sea level. This is a direct result of its profound depth. Why do we call it the Dead Sea? The name sounds rather stark, perhaps even a little grim. It comes from the observation that few living things can survive. No fish swim in its intensely salty waters. No large aquatic plants grow along its edges. Only very tiny organisms, hardy microbes, can endure. These microbes are adapted to the extreme salt. This apparent lifelessness gives the sea its famous name. The Dead Sea is what scientists call a terminal lake. This means that water flows into it, but no water naturally flows out to another river or sea. The Jordan River is its most important source of fresh water. Several other smaller streams and springs also contribute. However, there is no exit route for this water. The only way water leaves the Dead Sea is through evaporation. This process is absolutely key to its unique character. The climate surrounding the Dead Sea is very harsh. It is a desert region, intensely hot and dry. Rainfall here is incredibly scarce throughout the year. The sun shines down with considerable strength day after day. This relentless sun causes a very high rate of evaporation. Great quantities of water transform into vapor. This vapor rises into the dry desert air. As the water evaporates, it leaves all its minerals behind. This constant evaporation leads to extreme salinity. The Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. It is nearly 10 times saltier than our vast oceans. This incredible saltiness is famous all around the world. You can sometimes even taste the salt in the air nearby. The water itself feels unusually oily to the touch. This is because of the high concentration of dissolved salts. This intense salinity is its most defining feature. But it is not just ordinary table salt, sodium chloride. The water is exceptionally rich in a wide variety of minerals. Magnesium, potassium, calcium, and bromine are all abundant. These minerals originally came from the rocks of the surrounding land. They were dissolved by rainwater and river water over millennia. Then they were carried into the Dead Sea. Here they became highly concentrated due to constant evaporation. These minerals are very valuable to us. For thousands of years, people have known of its special qualities. The mineral-rich black mud found along its banks is famous. Visitors often cover their bodies in this dark, smooth mud. It is widely believed to be very good for the skin. The dense, salty water itself is also said to have healing properties. Many people travel here specifically for health and wellness reasons. It has served as a natural spa for countless generations. One of the most famous experiences is floating. It is incredibly easy to float in the Dead Sea. The water is so dense with salt and minerals. This density supports your body effortlessly on the surface. You can simply lie back and relax. Some even read a newspaper while floating. It is a very unusual and quite delightful sensation. This remarkable buoyancy is a major attraction for tourists. It certainly makes for memorable holiday photographs. The Dead Sea is a place steeped in human history. Ancient peoples lived and traveled near its shores. It is mentioned in many significant historical and religious texts. Not far from its banks, a great discovery was made. The famous Dead Sea Scrolls were found in caves. These ancient scrolls contain some of the oldest known religious writings. They provide invaluable insights into past beliefs and lives. This sea has silently witnessed so much of our story. Beyond its history, the Dead Sea holds cultural and economic importance. It is a significant landmark for the local cultures. It also provides valuable natural resources for modern industry. Potash and bromine are extracted from its waters. These minerals are used in agriculture and manufacturing. Tourism is also a vital part of the local economy. People come from every corner of the globe to see it. It supports many jobs and livelihoods in the region. Despite its ancient presence, the Dead Sea is now facing a crisis. It is shrinking at an alarming rate. The water level is dropping significantly each year. This is a very serious environmental problem. The shoreline is visibly receding, leaving behind vast salt flats. We are in danger of losing this unique natural wonder. Urgent and concerted action is needed if we are to save it. Its very existence is under threat. There are several reasons for this dramatic shrinking. The primary cause is a reduction in freshwater inflow. The Jordan River, its main life source, has been heavily diverted. Its waters are used for agriculture and drinking water upstream. This diversion means much less water reaches the Dead Sea. Compounding this, the hot, dry climate leads to high evaporation rates. This combination of factors is proving dangerous for the sea. A thirsty land is taking a heavy toll. Many ideas are being discussed to try and help. Scientists and engineers are searching for solutions. One ambitious proposal is to bring water from other seas. This could involve building a canal or pipeline. Water might come from the Red Sea or the Mediterranean Sea. This is a huge engineering project, often called the Red Sea-Dead Sea Water Conveyance. However, there are many debates about its potential impacts. Finding the right sustainable solution is a complex challenge. The Dead Sea is a precious natural and historical treasure. It is truly unique on our planet. It holds immense scientific, historical, and cultural value for all humanity. We have a responsibility to protect this extraordinary place. Future generations deserve the chance to witness its wonders. They too should be able to experience its unique character. The fate of the Dead Sea now rests firmly in our hands. Let us hope we make wise choices for its future.